let's get my link, put it down at the bottom. When you guys are jumping on, say hello. Copy. There we go. And then if Vicky comes on, I got her necklace that I want to show her. Alright, my link should be posted here in 2 seconds. There we go. Pin it. There we go. Alright. Alright. So, tonight, if we get 5 orders tonight, I am doing a drawing for one of these pearl bracelets. And you will get to choose between the dark one or the white one. You will get to choose. They're so cute, and this has like a little feather on it. It's so cute. See it? So cute. So we have that, and then I got some new pearl bombs, you guys. These have a pearl inside them, and I drop them in water to reveal what kind of pearl you have. And it comes in that. So you will get a cage and a necklace with, or no, I'm sorry, I lied. These ones are bracelet with cages and a pearl bomb. I love the new pearl bombs. And then I have a couple cages that you can do deal or no deal on. So if you don't just absolutely love the cage that you have, I have 3 other ones that you can choose from. I got 2 different fishies. I love this one. That's a fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. I have I have a bowl or another fishy. So if you don't absolutely love the cage that you guys get tonight, you guys can choose from one of those 3. And then I still have the balloon pop game. One's deflated. That's funny. And that one you get an oyster. You get an oyster and a necklace with a cage. And then, you guys, I got some new rings in. I do. And that is in the 1 through 5 game, you guys. If you guys order one of those, you guys will get an oyster opening tonight. 6 of them have rings in them. 1 of them has 2 pearls and a necklace. So one of the pearls one of the necklaces that are in there takes 2 pearls. It's super cute. So you can either get that or you can get a ring that needs to be mounted. So you'll get that. That's on the 1 through 5 game right now. 1 through 5 game, I have the balloon pop and then the bracelet, what did I call it? Pearl bomb. Bracelet pearl bomb. So those are the 3 new games, you guys. And like I said, if we get 5 orders, you guys will get to pick between, I'll put you guys into a drawing for these 2 bracelets. You get 1. You get to choose which one you want. The dark one or the light one. So pretty. And then if the balloon pop or the bracelet, if you guys don't love the cages that you guys get to choose. You guys can play deal or no deal. If you guys are just joining me, please say hello and let me know how your guys' night's going. Make sure you guys share. If you guys share, you guys will be entered into my shares drawing for the end of the month, where you guys can win some free stuff just by sharing publicly. That's it. Just by sharing publicly. You guys will get free stuff. So make sure you guys go check out my website. It's right down at the bottom. Click that, go shop, come back, and we will open your guys' up live. I hope Vicky stops by because I got her necklace in today. She got the snowman trio. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. See the snowman? Got the snowman trio. Holds 3 pearls. So cute. So cute. I love it. So hers came in today. I gotta take pictures so I can put it. I'm gonna try to get it out for her. So hopefully she stops by tonight, so I can show her what she got. And then I did get a pre-order. I'm waiting for them to come on tonight. They got the 1 through 5 game. 1 through 5. I just love all the pearls that you guys that comes out of these. It looks super dark, but it's actually like a dark blue, not a black. And then if you guys order a lucky jar game, you guys will get to choose between one of these bracelet or necklaces. So that's with the lucky jar game. Now the lucky jar game, you guys will get over $50 worth of items in there. You will get over $50 worth of items, and so it could be a tray of oysters. I have a Tommy Hilfiger purse in there, or a wallet. I have oysters, necklaces, a whole bunch of stuff. Spa kits in there. Tons of stuff that you guys can get in the lucky jar. Just waiting on my pre-orders to come on so we can open up their stuff. If you guys are just joining me, please say hello so I know that comments are working. Come on, work for me. Wait till you guys see some of these rings that I got that you guys can get mounted. You guys are gonna love them. Love, love, love.